Welcome to Daily Bible Benefits. Today is Friday, August 25th. On this day in 1985, Samantha Smith, the 13-year-old ambassador to the Soviet Union, dies in a plane crash in Auburn, Maine. Today on the broadcast, I'll be talking about the Ascension. Acts chapter 1, verses 6 to 11. When they therefore were come together, they asked of him, saying, Lord, wilt thou at this time restore again the kingdom to Israel? And he said unto them, It is not for you to know the times or the seasons which the Father hath put in his own power, but ye shall receive power after the Holy Ghost is come upon you, and ye shall be witnesses unto me both in Jerusalem and in all Judaea and into Samaria and unto the uttermost parts of the earth. And when he had spoken these things, while they beheld, he was taken up, and a cloud received him out of their sight. And while they looked stedfastly toward heaven as he went up, behold, two men stood by them in white apparel, which also said, Ye men of Galilee, why stand ye gazing up into heaven? This same Jesus, which is taken up from you into heaven, shall so come in like manner as ye have seen him go into heaven. When he comes, a man visiting a certain elementary school informed the class that he would give a prize to the pupil whose desk he found to be the cleanest and most organized when he returned. But when will you return? Some of them asked. That I cannot tell, was the answer. A little girl who had been noted for her disorderly habits announced that she intended to win the prize. You? Her schoolmates jeered. Why, your desk is always a mess. Oh, but I will clean it the first of every week. But what if he would come at the end of the week? Someone asked. Then I will clean it every morning. But he might come at the end of the day. For a moment the little girl was silent. I know what I'll do, she said. I'll just keep it clean. So it must be with the Lord's servant, who would be ready to receive the prize at his coming. It may be at midnight, at the cock crowing, or in the morning. The exhortation is not, get ye ready, but be ye ready. Thank you for tuning in to Daily Bible Benefits. Have a good and godly day.